Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. In this channel you'll be getting beautiful, amazing fashion styles, ideas and inspiration, and even hairstyles, ideas and inspiration that are trendy. And please, if you're new to this channel, you're welcome to the family. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified anytime I upload the beautiful fashion styles, ideas that are trendy. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you on how you can rock your beautiful Gele whenever you want to go to that wonderful occasion of yours. This video is going to give you a clue, it's going to give you an idea of how to rock your Gele to that wonderful occasion of yours. Please feel free to pause video to the end. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.